Getting the gift of beauty for Christmas, that's what we all want. We have Kelly here from Belle Vie, and we're talking about some specials that you guys have going on. First of all, lips. If you're thinking, I want to do a little plump up for lips or change my lips a little bit, that's a specialty of yours.
Yes, and it's a special this month. We've got a mini lip plump on sale. So we can carefully add some volume, line your lips, just create a nice refreshed lip. And we also can correct any imperfections. You can see on this, the before and after, her lips are slightly uneven. So the after picture, we've just kind of straightened up her lips.
Oh,
and she has a beautiful, beautiful smile.
Well, she has a beautiful smile naturally. You
Right.
just did a little bit of enhancing, which I like the mini part of it.
Right. And so this one, we can just correct little imperfections. You can see that she's got a little scar.
Yes.
And we just kind of lined her lips, straightened them out, and softened that little scar on her lips.
It's amazing what a little plumping, the difference it can make.
It can. It really just adds a defined, refreshed look.
How do you know if you need one? Do you come in for a consultation?
I think as we age, we lose a little bit of volume. And so, yes, coming into the clinic for a consultation is a great way to see what you need.
And what do you use for lips when you plump them up?
It just depends.
Okay, so there's different products and that may work better for somebody.
Correct.
Okay.
So we have Juvéderm, we have the Restylane products, and those are really probably the best for lips.
All right, so you need to go in for a consultation if you need a little lip plump up. You also have something called the FemiLift, and we've talked about this before on the show.
We have talked about the FemiLift a lot. But the FemiLift really is we've been doing it for about 1.5 years, and we were actually the first to bring it to Utah. And so in 1.5 years, I see a lot of patients for urinary incontinence, cough, sneeze, jump, they're leaking urine. And it really is a brilliant procedure, but it's all in how we do an examination. So the first time you come into the clinic, we want to do a really good examination. We want to carefully look at your tissue. We want to make sure that you don't have any kind of prolapse, because if you have any kind of prolapse, this procedure is not for you.
Right, you need to know if this will work for you.
Right.
How many treatments do you need and is that something you decide in the consultation as well?
It really depends on how the person does and what their symptoms are. For severe urinary incontinence, it really takes 3 to 4, and then the addition of the O shot.
Okay, and what's that?
The O shot, we actually draw your blood, spin it down, get your platelet-rich plasma, and so it has stem cells and growth factors in it, and then we inject that into the anterior wall to kind of lift that bladder up.
Gosh, and it could really make a difference.
It makes a huge difference.
And you can go in for a consultation with that too. You
Absolutely
have to with that. You have a Christmas party coming up.
We do. I'm so excited. We have specials all year round, but the Christmas event is our big event. And so you can see on the screen, it's December 6th from 5 to 8. And every half hour, so if you come in at 5 o'clock, you'll put your name in a bowl and we're going to do drawings. And if you win, you're going to get a Dysport injection right there on the site.
On the spot.
Yeah. And
you can look more beautiful and young right there.
Right there. And then we'll have specials for Dysport in that half hour. And then we'll do several different presentations. We're also introducing our new laser. And that we're really excited to bring that.
How fun.
Yeah.
All right, that's coming up December 6th. And can you just show up? It's in Draper, right?
It is in Draper, yes.
At Belle Vie.
Belle Vie.
Kelly, thank you so much.
Thank you.
I want to give this gift to myself. And everyone I know.
Yes, you should.
Thank you. LaBelleMedicalCare.com, LaBelleVMedicalCare.com is the website, and we'll put all the information on ours. And go get a Christmas party and maybe win a little Dysport in your face. I love it. Thank you, Kelly.
Thank
all right,
you.
coming up next.